ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 19, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 4. ಸ್ತವಂ ಜಪಂತಃ ತಮಮಿ ಜಲಾಂತರೇ ಭವಂತಂ ಆಸೇವಿಷತ ಅಯುತಂ ಸಮಾಹ ಭವಸುಖಾಸ್ವಾದರಸಾತ್ ಅಮೀಶ್ವಿಯಾನ್ ಬಭೂವ ಕಾಲೋ ಧ್ರುವವನ್ನ ಶೀಘ್ರತಾ. Word by word meaning. Ami. These 10 prachetas. Tam stavam japantaha. Singing that hymn. Jalantare. In the water. Ayutam samaha. For 10,000 years. Bhavantam. On the. Ase vishata. Meditated. Amishu. For them. Bhavat sukha swada rasat. Because of the joy they were experiencing in meditating on thee, who art bliss itself. Iyan kalaha babhuva. Such a long time passed. Dhruvavat. Like Dhruva. Shigrata na. It did not happen quickly. Full meaning. These prachetas meditated on thee in the water, singing that hymn for 10,000 years. Because they became immersed in the joy of meditating on thee and remained content with it, it took such a long time for the fruition of their penance. It did not come quickly as in the case of Dhruva. Note: they wanted only to enjoy the happiness arising from meditation and so were not eager for its fruition. Om Tat Sat.